Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin B12 powder. We will focus on preparing a fine powder from readily available vitamin B12 supplements. This simple method allows you to create a versatile powder for your specific needs, whether for topical applications or precise dosing. It is a straightforward process, requiring just a few common kitchen tools and your chosen B12 tablets or capsules. First, let's gather everything you will need. Choose your preferred vitamin B12 supplements. Tablets are often easier to crush than capsules. You will also need a clean mortar and pestle, or a dedicated spice or coffee grinder. Make sure all your tools are completely dry and clean to prevent contamination. A small, airtight container will be essential for storing your finished B12 powder safely. Now let's begin the powdering process. If using tablets, place 1 or 2 into your mortar. Use the pestle to gently crush and then grind them in a circular motion. Continue until you achieve a very fine, uniform powder. For capsules, simply open them and pour the existing powder into your mortar, then grind briefly to ensure consistency. This step is crucial for a smooth, usable powder. Once your vitamin B12 powder is ready, carefully transfer it into your clean, airtight container. Proper storage is key to maintaining its potency, so keep it in a cool, dark, and dry location, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When using, always employ a precise measuring spoon for accurate dosing. This homemade powder offers flexibility for various applications, from dietary supplementation to cosmetic uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.